There are three primary treatment options for those diagnosed with mesothelioma. Choosing an option depends on a number of factors. Initially, a determination must be made as to the stage of this rare form of cancer. This is typically done by a physician that specializes in the treatment of malignant mesothelioma. These specialists often work in conjunction with an interdisciplinary team of doctors that may include oncologists, pulmonologists, and thoracic surgeons. Treatment options must also factor in where the cancer is, how far the cancer has spread, as well as the age of the patient and his desire regarding the best course of treatment. Once mesothelioma emerges from what is sometimes a 15 to 50-year incubation period and is properly diagnosed, the diagnosis is usually quite grim. In most cases, a patient with mesothelioma has a life expectancy of only 8 to 12 months. There are three traditional treatment options that are most likely to be considered once all factors are weighed. They include surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation. Oftentimes, several of these options are combined. If you have legal questions regarding a loved one that has been diagnosed with mesothelioma, you can call us at 800-560-5059 or visit us on the web at www.injurylawyers.com.